Welcome back to the Tech Wave. Today, we're diving into a common yet frustrating issue that many of us have encountered: a Windows device that's happily connected to Wi-Fi but refuses to connect to the internet. It's like having the key to the door but not being able to step inside. In this video, we're going to unravel the mystery behind this connectivity dilemma and guide you through some practical steps to get your Windows device back online. Okay, first check for bad configuration for the proxy, DNS, or IP address. To do this, open Control Panel, then open Internet Options and go to Connections tab. Once there, go to LAN Setting and make sure the proxy server is unchecked. You don't need any configuration there. Also check the Automatically Detect settings, and then press OK. Now open Network and Internet Settings and go to Network and Sharing Center. And on your Wi-Fi connection, click and choose Properties, then select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. Now ensure that you obtain the DNS and IP addresses automatically. And then press OK. Now check if your internet is working. If you still have issue, do the following. Okay, for the second level troubleshooting, we are going to use the Windows Built-in Diagnosis tool to get rid of all the misconfigurations or bad configurations. Click on the Windows icon, open Settings and go to Network and Internet. Scroll down, then select Network Troubleshooter. Let Windows run a diagnosis on all network adapters. If the diagnosis tool finds anything, let it try to repair the issues. Let it apply the fixes. Now is the time to run another check to see if the internet is working. In some cases, after running the fixes, you need to reboot your PC. Okay, if the issue still persists, try resetting network adapters and IP configuration. To do so, click on the Windows icon, open Settings, and go to the Network and Internet section. Once there, scroll down and select Network Reset. This will remove and then reinstall all network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. Then restart your PC. Once your PC is rebooted, select your Wi-Fi again, enter your Wi-Fi password, and see if your internet is working. Don't worry if you are still experiencing the issue. There are a few other things that we can try. Next, we are going to manually reset the network TCP/IP stack to its default state. To do this, right-click on the command prompt and run as an administrator. Then run the netsh reset command. This command is used to reset the Windows socket catalog to its default state. Then run the netsh reset command. This command is restoring the TCP/IP configuration to its default state. Then flush your DNS cache with this command, ipconfig/flush DNS. Then you need to release and renew your IP configuration. To do so, run the ipconfig/release command. Then run ipconfig/renew. Time to run another check, and hopefully by now you have your internet access back. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to more tech-related content.